What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to link at will, so link anything. But before I do get into that, I want to say if you're not currently subscribed, I do appreciate it if you would. Of course, I'm not forcing you to, no one is, but if you do, it would help me out a lot, and I do appreciate your support. But without further ado, um, let's go ahead and learn how to link at will. So you probably visited websites where not all links were made out of text. Maybe the links you clicked were on images or other form of content. So far, we've added links that were made of only text, like the following. You have the prickly bear, and then you link the prickly bear. Text only links, however, would significantly decrease your flexibility as a web developer. So, thankfully, HTML allows you to turn nearly any element into a link by wrapping that element with an anchor element. With this technique, it's possible to turn images into links by simply wrapping the image element with an anchor element. Now, this is the example. Let's take a look at how this works real quick. So you have the anchor here. So you basically wrap it. So in the example above, an image of a prickly bear, prickly pear has turned into a link by wrapping the outside of the image with an anchor element. So let's quickly just see how this is working. So let me minimize all of this. So you guys can see that you basically put it um, inside of the anchor element. Okay, so you still do everything for the image, but you have you essentially have the anchor element be an image or a link. Then you have the image as well. Okay, that makes sense. I think we can do it. Let's try it out. So in index.html, transform the images on your web page into a link by wrapping the image element with the anchor element. Now set the target attribute so that the link opens in a new window. Your image element should be nested should be a nested tag inside your anchor element. Use the same URL as before. Alright, so this is the URL. So we'll go here. Let's go ahead and find the image. Where's the image? Media. Okay, media. Okay, right here. Okay. So I'm gonna close this, and we know what we have to do. So let me go ahead and do this. So you have the media. Where's media? Right here. Okay, perfect. So what we're gonna do actually is put an anchor tag right here. Oh, I lost connection. So let me get back my connection real quick. I'll just refresh the page. I think that helps you get your connection back quicker, but refreshing also like ruins the whole thing you just set up. So let's go ahead and do this. Where are we? Right here. So so this is the bear, correct? So we're just gonna wrap it in the anchor elements. Now remember, for anchor elements, we do need a hyper reference. So href equals this, and then we also need targets equals underscore blank. Right, I think that's how we did it. Is that how we did it? Yeah, that is how we did it. So that should work now. Let me go ahead and run it. Yep, that's exactly how it works. But let me go ahead and see. Yeah, it opens a new tab actually, and it shows you that. So this is technically a link now, which is so cool. That is actually amazing. But yeah, that's actually amazing. Wow. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And have a great